Are you also running a business where you want to notify about your Instagram posts and Telegram channel? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can integrate Instagram and Telegram. So now let me show you how this automation is going to be created by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business. And this automation tool will let you create amazing automations without even a single word coding. So now let me firstly show you how this automation, which I have already built in inside Pabbly Connect, is going to work in real time. So for that I have to create a new post over my Instagram. So here I'm going to just click over this create, and now I'm going to add a new post. So here I'm going to add this image, and now let's select it. Now let's click over this next button, and I'm going to post this image. So here I'm going to add the caption as sometimes it's just you showing up quietly every day. And now I'm going to share this post over my Instagram, and afterwards we will check whether a notification regarding this post is sent to my Telegram channel or not. So here my post has been shared. Now let's move on towards my Telegram account to check whether we are getting notified about this post or not. So now let's move on towards my Telegram channel with me. So here I'm landed to my Telegram channel, where I have created this group named as Instagram post, and here you can see that I'm successfully getting this message, and this message consists of the same caption of the Instagram post which I have recently added. And here you can check out this Instagram post link. So now you can see that as soon as I have published a new post over my Instagram, I am getting a notification about my post in the Telegram channel. So now you can also grow your business, as this automation will let you share your social media posts to Telegram. So now let me show you how I have created this automation. So for that, let's move on towards the workflow page of my Pabbly Connect. So right here, this is the workflow page, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to access Pabbly Connect for getting this workflow page. So for that, you just have to open the new tab and type the URL of the Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you can create this automation and test it for freely, as Pabbly Connect is currently offering you 100 free tasks. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. And now let's move on towards my workflow page, where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I create a new post over my Instagram. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Instagram, but you can select the trigger app according to the automation you are creating. Means if you want to fetch the Facebook post, then you have to select the Facebook as your application, and many more other applications too. But here I'm going to select Instagram for business as my trigger app. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new media posted in my account. Means my Instagram is going to be triggered as soon as a new media is posted over here. And now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection. And now we just have to click over this connect with Instagram for business, and here it is asking me to select the Facebook account connected with my Instagram account. So as I have already logged in my Facebook account, I am going to just click over this continue button, and I will suggest you to firstly log in your Facebook account for getting a smoother connection. And if you haven't logged in your Facebook account, then Pabbly will firstly ask you to log in it. And once you will log in your Facebook account, you can build a smooth connection and get a better experience. And here our connection has been built in so smoothly, and here we are getting this field for Instagram account to use. So here, as we have recently built in the connection, I'm getting this Instagram account, and now we just have to click over the save and send test request. But before that, let's move on towards my Instagram account and create a new post. So here I'm landed to my Instagram account where I'm going to create a new post. So for that, I'm going to select an image. So here I'm going to select this image, and here I'm going to provide the caption. So here I have provided this caption to my post. Now let's share it. And now as soon as my post will be shared, we will be receiving the response in the Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that my post has been successfully published. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect and select our save and send test request button for getting the response of this post. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to just click over this save and send test request. And here you can see that we are receiving this positive response. And here you can check out the username, the media URL, and this is the hyperlink of the post which we have recently created. And here you can check out the caption which I have recently added in my Instagram post. So now you can see that we have successfully received the response, and now by using this response, I'm going to notify over my Telegram channel. So now as soon as I will share a new post over your Instagram account, Pabbly Connect will fetch its details automatically, and now you don't have to manually notify your customers or the users manually, because this automation is going to do so for you. So now let's move on towards our next step, that is action app. So here I'm going to select my action app as Telegram, as I want to notify my team about this. So here I'm going to search for the Telegram, and here you can check out I'm getting this action app, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as send a text message or reply, as I want to send a text message and notify my team regarding the Instagram post. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you just have to click over this add new connection button, and here we have to enter the token. So for getting the token, you can follow these steps. Now let me show you how to get it. So for that, let's move on towards my Telegram account with me. So here I'm landed to my Telegram account where I'm going to search for the bot father. So now let me search for it, and here you can see that we are getting the bot father which I'm going to select. And now I'm going to just click over the start, and here as we are going to create a new bot, so I'm going to just select this new bot over here, and here we are getting this message which is asking me to choose a name for my bot. So here I'm going to enter the name of my bot as Instagram post. So here I'm going to provide this name to my bot, and now we are getting this message which says that the name must end with this word, that is bot. So here I'm going to provide it the name Instagram 04 post bot. Now let me enter it, and here you can see that we are getting this message that our new bot has been created, and here we are getting this access token for this bot. So now let's copy this token, and now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect where I'm going to enter this token. Now let's click over this save button, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the chat ID. So now for getting the chat ID, let's move on towards my Telegram account again, and here I'm going to access my bot which I have recently created, and here you can see that we are getting this bot. And now I'm going to create a new group where I want to share my Instagram post, and I'm going to add this bot to that particular group. So I'm going to just click over this. So here you can see that I have successfully created this group having two members, that is me and another is the bot which I have recently created. So I have to allow the admin permission to this bot so that it can send the messages in this group, and I'm going to do that in my mobile phone. So I have provided the admin permission to this particular bot, and here you can see on the search bar we are getting this chat ID required for sending the message. So now let's copy this chat ID and paste over the Pabbly Connect. So here I have added the chat ID. Now it is asking me to enter the text message which I want to send to this particular Telegram channel. So now let's add the text message over here. So here you can see this is the text message which I'm going to send to this Telegram channel, and after this word caption, I'm going to enter the caption of the Instagram post which I have recently added. Now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the caption like this, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect is providing me a method by using which I can make my data dynamic, because typing will make my data static. So here I'm going to map the caption and the link, and now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map both these details from the response which I'm receiving from Instagram for business, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application. So from the response of the Instagram for business, I'm going to map the caption of my post. So here you can see this is the caption which I have recently added, so I have mapped it. Now let's map the link of the post which I have recently added in my Instagram account. So here you can see this is the hyperlink of the post. So here I have mapped both these fields, and now these fields are going to be dynamic, means these are going to change with every new response received or every new post created in your Instagram account. So here I have added it. Now we are getting this field for message thread ID, and as we are not going to send any message in the thread, so I'm going to leave these fields blank. And here you can check out some of the settings such as disable web page preview, disable notification, allow sending without reply, which I'm going to keep no. And from the pass mode, you can select your pass mode either as HTML or Markdown, which I'm going to keep as HTML. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request for sending this data to Telegram. And here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a message might be sent. So now let's move on towards my Telegram account to check it. So here I'm landed to my Telegram account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message having the same caption and the post link. So here you can see that this is the post which I have recently added. So now you can see that as soon as I've added a new post over my Instagram account, I'm sending a notification in my Telegram channel. So now this is going to help me to grow my business. And you can also create this amazing automation by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.